Okay, so we're going to finger feed this baby to get the baby to latch on. Prepare him to take the breast. That's a boy. Okay. So now he's starting to suck well. Okay, and the idea of this is to settle him down and to get him to suck properly. And once he's sucking properly, then we try to move him to the breast. Okay, so here, we'll get you to hold that. And push in with the side of your forearm here, hand up underneath the baby's face. The nipple then will automatically point to the roof of the baby's mouth. Run the nipple on his upper lip, tickle him on, straight on. Now he doesn't have it, so let him come off. And try not to, can you make it higher? Try not to force him to stay. Okay, he's not on there. Let's try the other side. Everything. Okay? The upper lip, one corner to the other. Wait for the gate. There he goes. Okay, good. Now you see the pause in his chin? There's a mouthful of milk. That's what finger feeding is for, not to feed the baby without a bottle. Great. Okay, you can turn it over.